Hi everyone, it's me Charmaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, I am going to show you how I make this ham, cheese, and egg sandwich. This breakfast recipe got viral on TikTok, so I decided to try it. So, let's start! The ingredients that we are going to need are ham, cheese, eggs, sliced bread, and a little bit of butter or margarine. First, I cooked the ham and sliced the cheese. Then, I tried making the sandwich with 3 eggs. It's a bit too much, but it's okay. So, whisk the eggs. Then, prepare your pan, melt the butter or margarine, and pour in the eggs after. Then put the bread. And then add the ham and cheese. So we just need to fold the egg on the side, so it's kind of hard, but it should look like this. And then just fold the bread together. And now let's try making the sandwich with just 2 eggs. And guys, please do watch the last part because I have a bonus video. So it's just like an experiment video. I don't know. Just watch it. So at this point, it was my brother who's making the sandwich, and I am the one recording him. So there we have it, our ham, cheese, and egg sandwich. It looks really good. I hope you will like this recipe. And I'm really sure, yeah, not hoping, I'm really sure you will like this. And this is what it looks like inside. This is really perfect for breakfast or brunch. And now our bonus video. So I tried making a sandwich with ham, cheese, mayo, ketchup, and piatas. I don't know why. It just came into my mind that I will try to make sandwich with piatos. And it turned out really good. You should try this, guys. So So thank you so much for watching, guys. It's me, Charmaine. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So there's a dance step for you guys.